Hello, this is a quick product review. I'm working on this camper, converting it to a chicken coop, and there were a couple of holes where I don't know what was screwed into this, but this was all pushed out. I banged it in with a hammer, and the review is on this rod. I purchased a stack of these aluminum, they call it welding rods, years back. Never had a chance to use them. Cleaning out one of my drawers in the garage, and I came across this. I'm going to try now to see if this is still any good. It's been in my garage I don't know how many years. I bought it at a flea market, but these are readily available today. I've seen them advertised, and I'm going to give it a try. First thing I did was to use this wire wheel to clean the surface. And the directions are to heat the aluminum and to make a puddle and fill it in. Let's see. Years and I never tried it, so this is the first time trying it. I have to watch because I reinforced this corner. It was all blown out. I reinforced it with wood from about here over. And it looks like something may be burning in there. Yeah, end up burning this sail off here. Well, well, I got a little flame on the inside. I'm not sure if I'm using it incorrectly or if this is just too old. I'm looking inside, I see a little bit of wood burning in there. I'm going to just try this for another couple of seconds, and if I can't get it, I'm going to let it go. I can see that I burned the hole through this. There we go. I saw some wood burning on the inside, so I went in, I wet it. So I might be getting this too hot. I remember when I purchased this, the fella had holes in an aluminum can. And that's about the consistency of this. So it should work. Okay, I see. It looks like you have to get the metal hot. Pull the torch out. Well, it's not pretty. I'm gonna close that hole. See what I can do here. This hole actually got bigger. That's it. Oh, one little hole. Should have left it alone while I had it. I saw a little pinhole over there. I'm gonna have to go inside and make sure that wood isn't burning again. Fellow doing that can did it a lot easier than this. There we go. That cool a second. Well, this rod still melts. You can see how this burnt up over here. The rod is hot. And that's still pretty hot. Now this is just propane gas that I'm using. It's not MAP gas. Just regular propane that you would solder with. Camera straight. If you're going to use this, I suggest you use it on right on a piece of scrap first. Moving this camera away from the heat here. Got it. Oh, thought I had it. That's it. Okay, well, it does work. For something that's been sitting in a drawer for I don't know how many years, still did its job. I'm gonna hit this with a grinder a little bit and just clean this up somewhat. Melted this down, but this was missing for most around the trailer anyway. Would have been nice not to burn this. I would give this a plus if you have some light aluminum. Supposedly this is supposed to be stronger than the original aluminum. I see a pinhole right there. I'm gonna let this go now before I end up burning this trailer down. But I give this a thumbs up. I'll have a link for it down below. If you have any questions or comments, post them down below. If you found this video enjoyable, give it a like, pass it along to someone else who might be able to use it. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z icon. And not to miss my new videos as I upload them, ring that notification bell. Until next time, stay safe.